I want to invite you to talk about the most fundamental thing, something underneath all this. So, we're going to have a constitution now. The court could have turned this down, and the president couldn't have done anything if he had, and we have separation of powers, and we have stuff. But the Constitution has evolved a whole lot. And because it's evolved a whole lot, there's a lot more good that government can do. Because there's millions of people who don't have any health care, and a lot of them it's not their fault. And so what about the argument of the good and justice? How do we serve that if the government is going to be hamstrung in the ways that you propose?
Okay. I'm very, very happy that you asked that question, because that is one of the most important points that I make in why John Roberts was wrong about health care, is that the amount of good government can do is not hindered by the restrictions placed on government by the Constitution. In fact, it's enhanced. If we followed federalism more faithfully, if we recognize that there really is a distinction between state power and federal power, that federal power really is limited, that the powers of Congress are in fact few and defined, and those reserved to the states are in fact numerous and indefinite, more Americans would get more of what they want from government. Just think about that for a minute. More Americans would get more of what they want from government. People ask me all the time, why is everything so contentious in Washington? Why is everybody always fighting? Why can't you get along? Why does it bring out so much emotion whenever you debate something in Washington? And the answer is simple. It's really contentious because we've got way too much of your individual lives at stake. We have arrogated to ourselves so much authority that we have the power, we have the potential to impact every aspect of your life. And you're not always likely to get what you want from government when you send it to this sort of mixing bowl over there.